Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hope y'all are having a great week. Man, sorry I missed y'all on Sunday. I did my live, but I didn't put out a video, but that's okay. Today we're going to bring you these Milwaukee 6-in-1 pliers, model number 48-22-3079. Wow. Okay, hey, why don't y'all come on up here and we'll look at these a little closer. And while you're doing that, we'll forget I ever flubbed that whole intro up, okay? Come on. Here we go. Milwaukee 6-in-1 pliers. They are the 48-22-3079. 79, woo! I cannot get that for my life. 3079. Okay. They're forged in Vietnam, assembled in China. That was crazy reading that. I know a lot of things are made all different places, but that was kind of interesting. Limited lifetime warranty. I purchased these at Home Depot. They were for $19.97. I paid $13.97 with my military 10% discount. Not sure who all they offer that to, but that's what I paid. Let me put you over here. Let me see if I can figure this new camera out. I want to try and it won't let me. What is it? Bring it tighter. So we'll deal with it this way and I'll learn my camera a little better. I'm using a GoPro. I've had this for a long time. Haven't been using it for this. I want to try use it because I got some stuff coming up that I'm going to need 2 cameras. So anyway, here you go. Milwaukee 6-in-1. Let's open these up. But before we do, we're going to read what it says. So it's got a reamer. I guess this outside part's a reamer. Bolt cutter. So it's got a bolt cutter right here and right here. 632 and 532. Wire strippers. Loop maker. We'll figure that out. Wire cutter. And pliers. Okay, let's open them up. So I know I've been doing a lot of pliers here lately, or a lot of wire cutters. I just want to get some options out there. This is one of those. They're not a bad price. Let's see. They look well made. The forgings look pretty decent. The tips come together good. Okay. The pliers don't necessarily come together all the way, and I don't know if that's on purpose or not. The cutters on the cable, wire cutters, the edge is a little rough there. It doesn't look bad, but the edge looks a little rough. So they lock, so they hold together. I guess that's good in your tool pouch, toolbox. I know it's good in the toolbox, it takes up less room. Let's see what else can. Everything looks pretty decent on them. They look well made. I like the grips. They're comfortable. They're hard, but they're comfortable. They got a good feeling on them. They're slightly they feel slightly rubbery. They are slightly rubbery. It's just got a hard rubber surface on it. These are not insulated, not for use on live circuits. So there's that. Yeah, I like them. I like the way they're made. Now we're going to compare them a little bit. I got my son's Knipex out here. Knipex. And the Knipex are a little bigger. Looks like, even though they're, hope I'm getting you in the shot here. Here we go. Even though they are show the same size cable cutters, it looks like it's or bolt cutters, whatever. Looks like the holes are a little bigger in the Knipex. They pretty much show almost the same thing, except for it looks like the Milwaukee go a little bit bigger on what wire it will cut. Yep. So it'll do, or strip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, so the Knipex only do 5 different sizes. They got this, the Knipex has this little hole right here. Don't remember what that was used for. I'm liking these. Let's cut something with it. Okay, I got me a few different things here. We're going to see what we got. First thing we're going to do is cut something easy. This is, you know, child's play. Had to put a little effort into it. No damage. Not bad. Let's do this. Not too bad. Had to put a bit more effort into it. Let's do this. Not too bad. That wasn't too easy. I mean, too bad to do that. Now, so I guess these are designed, well, I thought I could screw that in there. Yeah, I can screw that in there. And then cut it. Let's see if I can cut it. Something's going. That wasn't smart. Now I've got that piece stuck in there. Let's do that. That wasn't too hard at all. I will have to work to get that other piece out. Should have run it all the way through. Let's not do that again. So this end has threads. This one doesn't. Electricians, tell me what that's for. Is it for long, let me guess. When you're putting in different boxes and stuff, or different switches or whatever, and they got the screws that come with them, if you don't need it to be as long as it is, do you screw it down in here and cut it short? Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get that out of there. I do have some left-handed drill bits. We'll get it out, or left-hand twist, left twist, whatever. Okay. Now that we have got our pliers and sort of messed them up, there is that. Let's back y'all up. Okay, well there you have it. Milwaukee. I like Milwaukee products. I try not to be a fanboy. I've told y'all that before. They make some good products, and they're in a lot of fields. I've heard that some people say they didn't like these. So far, I can't explain why. For me, this is probably a buy. I'd have to say that this is something I would buy again if I needed it. I can see how they're handy. I love Knipex. I mean, and the switch on this is pretty awesome. But man, these are just so much less expensive. And you know, the casting or the forging and everything is a little simpler than these. But other than that, I mean, they're pretty good. Let me try something here. Let's see how much easier this is to cut with these. Yeah, it's a little easier to cut with the. Yeah, it's a little easier to cut with the Knipex. Let me look. See. Can't tell if the angle of the blade is different on this, but it is different the way that it's shaped on this. I don't know, maybe that has the difference. Maybe the Knipex are sharper. So, you know, hey, there's one thing. But the Knipex are more expensive. Again, I think I would buy these again so far. We'll have to see, you know, how I like using them. Or I may give them to someone to use and see how they like them. You never know. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all tuning in, sitting down with me for a minute. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you don't mind, please click that like. Please share this video with your friends and whoever else. And click that subscribe if you haven't already. Thank y'all. Have a great week. Hope y'all have a blessed week and y'all take care of each other.